To trade OANDA on TradingView, follow these steps. Create an OANDA account. First, ensure you have an OANDA Live account. If you don't have one, visit the OANDA website, create an account, and complete the verification process. Connect OANDA to TradingView. In TradingView, log into your account or create one if you don't have it. Once logged in, click on the trading panel at the bottom of the TradingView platform. Search for OANDA in the list of brokers and select it. You will be prompted to log in using your OANDA account credentials. Set up your trading preferences. After logging in, choose your trading preferences. You will now have access to your OANDA account from TradingView. Choose a market to trade. Browse the charts on TradingView and pick a market you want to trade. You can use TradingView's advanced charting tools to analyze price trends, indicators, and signals before placing a trade. Place a trade. Once you have your market and strategy set up, click the buy or sell button on TradingView's chart. You can set your position size, stop loss, and take profit before confirming the trade. Monitor and manage your trade. Use TradingView's real-time updates and OANDA's account dashboard to track and manage your trades efficiently.